Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the part B of the lecture on the water erosion. This is a continuation of this same. You can see water. This is a Pakistani picture. All the villages, they are within the water body and affected. So we would see that's what happened. Generally, splash erosion is then followed by sheet erosion. Generally, a thin, uniform layer of fine, loose material is removed unnoticed until most of the productive soil or topsoil is lost. Sheet means thin layer. So soil moves in a thin layer and it is invisible easily. Slowly and gradually it moves until a comparative area, nearby area becomes visible as a eroded or non-eroded. In some cases, a thick 15 cm layer may be removed. It's a very thick layer. Sheet erosion also promotes runoff water. So this is promoting runoff water. This is another example of a water that this would remove this field or whatever area is there, that would be removed from the soil. Fields, they are damaged. Rill erosions. With continued water sources, sheet erosion may gradually change in the formation of irregularly small depressions and tiny channels. These tiny channels are known as rills. Two rills combine together forming a dike, and the dike then may move into a further larger movement channels, causing gullies or sheet-like situation. It is a transitional phase between the sheet and gully erosion. The erosion at this stage is called rill erosion. The rate of loss of soil is rapid than sheet, especially on steep slopes with high silt contents. Rill erosion creates small, well-defined channels. These channels do not interfere with field machinery or operations. Gully erosions. With increasing volume and velocity of runoff water, large visible channels called gullies appear. It is the last and most serious stage where water cuts the surface. ये नहरों के किनारे आप देखें जिनके घर होते हैं नीचे से कट हो जाते हैं या जहाँ से पानी बहते हैं कट हो जाती हैं. So these are gullies. Fast moving water removes huge amount of soil over a short period of time by creating considerable depth. These depths are called gullies. Gullies, two types of gullies, ditch or waterfall. Ditch erosion occurs at the head, side and bottoms. When a water is moving, sides are removed, heads are removed where it comes in contact with the blockage, so or bottom is removed. Waterfall erosion, definitely water falling from high area has a tremendous force to cause depression. Sheet and gully erosion removes about 115,000 acres of sediments and deposits it into the Indus River almost every year. This is one gully erosion you can see. This is nearby Agriculture University. Flood is there gullies. You can see all these are gullies. This is gully, this is gully, this is gully, this is gully, and you can see no plants, nothing, slope is there. So situation is very adverse. Gully depth may range from 1 meter to 30 meter. Vegetation might stabilize such eroded sites. Sheet and gully erosion usually removes 115,000 of acre feet through Indus River. Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Nazim, all are severely eroded through gully erosions, making a total of 71,92,400 acres of land. Gully erosion is difficult to control without proper remedial measures. We cannot control it ordinary way. Poor construction, inadequate maintenance of the surface drainage system, uncontrolled livestock grazing, cropping close to the stream banks promote bank erosion. This is another view you can see. This is this is a water body head, and this is a eroded place. This whole piece has been eroded and shifted down with the moving water. The direct damage of the bank erosion. So all these banks, they are eroded. And this one piece, two piece mass, this has been slided down. Tunnel erosion. As the name indicates, tunnel erosion occurs underneath or subsurface that causes huge damage even before the visibility of the surface. Water enters, infiltrates into the soil and is lost. This is very common wherever we have these rodents in the field. The farmers, zamindars, they know that we that moves within the soil underneath because water channels are there, which has been eroded by burrowing animals. So such thing happens in areas where underground tunnels are there, maybe natural or due to certain animals. Tunnel erosion is caused by movement or excess of water through diffusing water in the subsoil. Once formed, tunnels continue enlarging till they become changed into eroded. These are some examples you can see. That is, water moves within these tunnels. Inside, this is a tunnel, this is a tunnel, this is a tunnel, sinkholes. These are all sinkholes. These are responsible for making tunnel land degradation due to water infiltration, forming tunnels in some of the areas. Tunnel erosion is a serious problem that will form beneath the soil surface as a whole or as a soil grain. It is beneath both chemical and physical erosion. The phenomena is usually associated with sodic soils derived from sandstone, mudstone, or redeposition of the sediments. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Stay blessed and happy.